Introducing our Max Beads, a revolutionary nano-sized micro-emulsion spray coating engineered to deeply anchor into any painted surface. High gloss enhancement and built-in UV inhibitors for maximum protection. Very simple to use. Step 1, mist the square applicator with distilled water. Step 2, spray about 5 sprays on a square applicator as shown. Now, apply on the surface. When no more streaks are left behind, go ahead and replenish and continue. Remember, work away from the sun, one panel at a time. If it's a hood, it's recommended to split it into 3 sections. And remember, do not let Max Beads sit as it will haze. If this does happen, grab your square applicator and reactivate the Max Bead. Remove the Max Beads with a towel before it dries. Any wet spots, go ahead and dry with a clean towel. After wiping off with a towel, flip it over to make sure it's streak-free. Max Beads, your ultimate solution for an ultra-high gloss finish, UV protection, and extreme hydrophobic properties that can last up to 12 months. Now available on our website.